Let's see how to use the WHIMO app to record an initial transaction, for example, when buying directly from a producer. When you create a new transaction, you'll see two options. On the one hand, you may be buying or collecting a commodity. Alternatively, you may be selling or delivering a commodity. When you select the first option, buy or collect, two further options will appear. If your supplier uses WHIMO, you can register a downstream transaction and collect the data through the app. However, in this example case, we'll be buying directly from the farmer, meaning that we are the first point in the chain. So let's tap on Initial Transaction. Remember, farmers are not the intended users of WHIMO, although they can provide their own geolocation data in the form of a QR code. Next, the app asks whether you are buying from the farmer who produced the goods or from an intermediary, a cooperative, for example. Let's choose farmer. Now indicate whether you are currently on the farm or not. Either way, you will need to introduce three simple pieces of data: the farm's geo-data, the commodity you're buying, and the volume. Let's say you're buying cocoa. Select the commodity, choose the commodity type, select the volume, and enter the volume. If you save the transaction at this stage, WHIMO will warn you of a partial traceability status, which may affect downstream buyers. So let's go back and add the farm's geo-data. There are three options. You can use the app to scan a printed QR code from the farmer, which contains the registered geolocation data. Alternatively, if you are physically on the farm, you can record your current geolocation. This option is obviously only available when you are on site. With either of these options, traceability is considered complete. A third, less reliable option is to manually add a GPS point on a map. This results in a conditional traceability status. Now, let's return to the start of the process. Imagine you are buying not from the farmer, but from a cooperative or an intermediary who does not use WHIMO to collect traceability data. You are therefore, once again, the first point in the chain. So select Initial Transaction. Tap on I'm buying from a cooperative or trader. Although your supplier does not use WHIMO, they may still have farm geolocation data that you can upload in a variety of different formats. This will result in conditional traceability status. You can then add the remaining information such as commodity type and volume as before. WHIMO will also ask you to provide your supplier's information so it can invite them to use the app for future transactions. All of your transactions are stored in your WHIMO account and displayed on the homepage. Transactions are divided into purchases and sales, and each transaction includes detailed information, including product type, quantity, and traceability status. You can filter and review your transaction history at any time.